Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to learn a new way how to make money online. So make sure you watch the video till the end, because you want to be like this guy. He is trying to make some money online using his computer, right? That's what you're gonna do as well. So we are going to tell you how you can make money online in this video, how you can earn money online for free, how you can make PayPal money. So we will cover all the topics in this video, and before we start the video, let's go through some disclaimers here, because first of all, the secret is out. In order to make money online, you need to stop wasting or losing money online, okay? Because there are a lot of people or a lot of YouTube channels, and you will see a lot of make money online videos. In those videos, they will sell you some crap by the end of the video. So they'll put a link in the description, and that link is going to sell you some kind of training course that you take that course and you will start earning money. But that is kind of MLM, okay? Because you are going to promote their product and you will ask other people to buy that product. It's called multi-level marketing bullshit, okay? So don't fall for that crap. They make money, they scam people, and eventually in the course, there's nothing special anybody can teach you, okay? They will teach you how to run Facebook ads, how to run Bing ads, how to run Google ads. But what if those accounts are suspended for you? If Google suspends you, if Bing suspends you, if YouTube suspends you, whatever. So what are you going to do? So that training course, all the skill, all the knowledge which you have, that's useless, because Google is not allowing you to run ads, Facebook is not allowing you to run ads. Then why the hell did you buy the course? What did you pay $1,000 for, right? So get the point here. Nobody can teach you how to make money online, because it depends what kind of skills you have and what kind of resources you have access to, okay? So people can tell you go run Facebook ads and Bing ads and Google ads and you will make money. But what if Google has suspended you already? But what Facebook has suspended you already? But what if Pinterest has suspended you already, right? So don't fall for this crap. Nobody can teach you. There's no course online which can teach you how to make money online, because it depends what kind of resources you have, okay? If you have resources, you can do everything on your own. You don't need anybody to teach you. You don't need me to teach you how to make money online if you have all the resources, okay? So the motto of this channel is to save you money. We are here so that you stop buying those products which you see in the description, and everybody says I'll teach you how to make money and all that bullshit. Avoid all that, okay? Next thing we're gonna look into is that this channel is not about entertaining you. I am here now, okay? If you're expecting some pictures, me counting some money, or some fancy girls showing here that okay, yes, I'm making money and all that crap. No, this channel is not about your entertainment. This channel is purely about the knowledge here. You can get the knowledge, you can understand the concept, and then try to apply that knowledge in your life practically. If that helps you, well and good. Otherwise, you can find some other ways which we will talk about how to make money in the end of this video, okay? And before we get into the details, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because that is free, all right? Subscribe is free, like is free, and comment is free. So make sure you do these three things: subscribe, like, and then put a comment below which country you're from, okay? Now, the website which we are going to use to make money online today is called cafepress.com. Note down this website, cafepress.com, cafepress.com. And this is kind of an online e-commerce, or it sells all the clothes and everything. Now, once you are on this website, cafepress.com, you will need to register for an account. So before we do that, let's understand if you are actually going to make some money with this website or not. So we have to check the website statistics, and for that, we go to a website called similarweb.com here, okay? So you go to similarweb.com and then you type in cafepress.com there, and then it shows the statistics of this website. It shows 2.63 million visits. So this website has been visited by 2.63 million people in last 1 month, and average visit duration is like 2 minutes. All right, so millions of people are visiting this website every month, which means that if you list your products on this website, you will have very good chances that you will get some sales from there. Okay, now let's get to the website again here. So what you need to do is, first of all, look on the top right, click on join here. Okay, once you click on join, you will get this box that says email address, password, and password. So you have to sign up for your account, and once you have signed up for the account, you will receive a confirmation email like this. You will need to click on this email here to confirm your account, and once your account is confirmed, then you need to log in using your email and password. So I am logged in into my account here. As you can see, this is how it looks like. And then once you're logged in, you need to actually design your own product, because this is a very, very good option, because here you don't have to sell any products of your own, which means you don't have to create any inventory, you don't have to stock products, you don't have to buy anything, initially. All you need to do is create your own designs, and then when somebody buys it, these people will print out those clothes, those garments for you, and they will ship it to the customer, and they will pay you a portion of the amount. Okay, so let's see how it works. First of all, what you need to do is you need to find the option that says create your own. Okay, so depending which country you're from, this option might be on the top left, on the on the top right, doesn't matter, but you need to look for create your own. Okay, now once you hit create your own, you have a lot of categories here. So in clothing, you have men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, baby clothing. Now anything which you want to sell, whatever expertise, whatever your interest is, choose that product. So for example, here we are we're looking for masks here. Let me see if I can find masks somewhere here. Okay, kids face mask, right? So I'll click on kids face mask. Okay, and then you will see this section here where it says start designing. Okay, so this is a blank white mask. Now once you hit start designing, you will have custom options, like you can add text, right? So let's see if you can add text such as TubeCore and apply. This is how it looks like. So you will need to make sure you make it something interesting, something very attractive, so that people can buy. And we can also add some images here, right? So now here you need to add some images which are royalty free, which means that you're allowed to use those images on in your print business. Okay, so that no one can claim. Now how do you find those royalty free images? For that, you need to go to a website called pexel.com. Okay, this is the website. At the top you can say pexels.com. Now once you're at pexels.com, you can actually find a lot of options here. It depends what what kind of images you're looking for. If you're looking for flowers, if you're looking for some cute animals, some cats, some dogs. So in this case, let's say I'm looking for cute puppies. So I'll try to see if I can find some cute puppies. Okay, that's good. Let's scroll down. Okay, I like this one here. Yeah, so I'm gonna download this image. So once you download this image, it will go into your computer in the downloads folder. And once you have the image, then you need to come to the Cafe Press here, and you click on upload image. Okay, you click on upload image, select the picture, and then that will show up on your mask like this. Okay, so you can choose to have any image of your choice, maybe some flowers, maybe some cats, and it can be on anything. It doesn't have to be only on mask. You can just you can choose to sell t-shirts, you can choose to sell something else, maybe jeans or whatever accessories are available, or whatever clothing are available here on this website. So you can choose to sell anything, especially when it comes to women t-shirts. If you are a woman watching this, then you know how what kind of clothes women's like. So it's entirely up to you what kind of photos and designs you want to put in your clothing. Okay, and once you have everything good to go, then you just click on review, and then they will sell this t-shirt for $12, and you will get a portion of this sale. And that means you can list as many products you want on this website, and then you can sell these products in two ways. First is you wait for the organic traffic, which means 2.some million people are already visiting this website every month. So people might land on your design, and that's how you can expect to get some sales. But if you don't want to wait for that, then you can run some Google ads or Bing ads, and you can advertise your particular clothing in those Bing ads and Google ads to get targeted customers. Okay, in that way you will not have to wait and you can start earning instantly. All right, now this means that you don't have to have any inventory, you don't have to have any clothes or any t-shirts with you. It's all online. These people are going to take care of everything. All you have to do is design, upload your designs, custom designs, and if somebody buys it, you get a portion of the income. Okay, so this is all for this video. You need to make sure you need to go on to cafepress.com and pexel.com to get royalty free images. And in the end, before we end this video, make sure you like the video, and also we are going to tell you how you can make money online, because there are only two ways in 2021 you can make money online, either by making your YouTube videos or by running your blog and do reviews. Okay, so if you can make YouTube videos, well and good. If you can't make YouTube videos, then make sure you run your website, a blog, because the blog is something in which you don't have to show your face, you don't have to speak, you can just do the content manually in the background, and once somebody reads your blog, they will click on your affiliate links, and that's how you make money with your blog. You make money with your blog in two ways: with Google AdSense by showing some ads, and by putting affiliate links in between the blogs and then make some sales, and that's how you get some commission. Okay, now if you already have a website, or you are a newbie and you are thinking about starting a new website, then you can find a link in the description below. That link will take you to this website called lifesuit.com. Now once you're on this website, you will see that it says unlimited hosting of sites and domains at one-time cost, right? So this website is going to give you unlimited hosting in just one-time cost, which means that if you are using some other hosting for now, like let's say if you're with GoDaddy or DreamHost or Bluehost or whatever, so these companies charges you every month from $10 to $15 every month. You can save all that money. Okay, you can save all that money by buying this unlimited hosting in this one-time cost, which means from next month onwards you don't have to pay anything. All right, and not only hosting, they're giving you other features as well, such as autoresponders, funnel builders, webinar creation tools, and graphic designing. So you can use these other features as well if you want, and this comes very cheap. I think maybe 14 bucks only, or you can look into the pricing. So it's a very cheap investment for you. If you are going to open a website or you already have a website, you can buy this unlimited hosting and you can save a lot of money. All right, so that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we will see you in the next Make Money Online video shortly.